Hi, grade ones. Today we're going to talk about pattern poems. So if you look at the pattern poem sheet, we know about patterns from math, but did you know that patterns can also go into writing? When we write a pattern poem, the first line in the poem will talk about something you do not like. And then the second line talks about something that you do like. And you just keep going with I don't likes and I like. I don't like, I like. So, and then the end of the pattern poem ends like something like a pattern of my favorites, which is how we've ended our poem as well. And we want to make sure that we add feelings and opinions, add some describing words, and don't forget to add your title. On your example sheet, you'll see one from a little student named Shannon Sharkey, and you'll see the other pattern poem by Mrs. St. Jean here, who teaches in grade 2. I'm going to attempt to write my own as well. Some ideas, if you need them. Maybe you could write about foods that you do and do not like. That seems to be an easier one to pick. I think I'm going to pick that one too. Maybe you choose colors, or maybe you choose TV shows, some you do like and some you don't like. Maybe even animals, some you like and some you don't like. Could be anything. You can choose whatever you want to write about. I'm going to choose food, and so a lot of times the title has been a pattern of my favorites. I think I'm going to do food as my title. So my title is going to be foods, maybe an S, foods, okay? So it starts with I don't like. And I'm kind of going to do them in groupings. So maybe I'll do a kind of soup I don't like and like, a kind of vegetable and fruit, maybe a sandwich, and maybe a dessert, just so that it kind of stays the same. So let's see, we'll start with soups. So I don't like split pea soup. I don't like split pea soup. I like creamy carrot soup. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Okay. The next one I'm going to write maybe about vegetables. So I don't like asparagus. I don't love that vegetable. Not sure if that's a spelling, but that's how I think it's spelled. I don't like asparagus. I like, what's my favorite vegetable? Let's say, creamed corn, creamy peaches and cream corn. I love peaches and cream corn. Okay. Next two, maybe I'll do fruits. Okay, I don't like oranges. Believe it or not, Mrs. Becker does not like oranges. I do not like how all the pulp on the oranges feels on my tongue. I just don't like it. But I do like bananas. Okay, so I don't like oranges, but I do like bananas. Okay, maybe we'll do sandwiches. So I don't like tuna fish sandwiches. Maybe I'll put an adjective in there. Maybe I'll say stinky. I don't like stinky tuna fish sandwiches, which I know some of you do like, so sorry about that. I like turkey and cheese sandwiches. I like turkey and cheese sandwiches. And you know what? I like it to eat it with chips. So I'm going to put some here with chips. Okay. Next part, desserts. Okay, I don't like, you know what I don't like? Fruit in my desserts. I'm going to put that down here. I don't like fruit mixed with desserts. Isn't that crazy? Some of you must love apple pie and blueberry pie and all that stuff. I don't love that. Do you know what I do like? I like chocolatey. I like chocolatey. I guess any kind of chocolatey desserts. So I'll say I like chocolatey desserts. of all kinds. A pattern of my favorites. And of course, I'm going to put my name down here. Don't forget to put your name at the bottom. Okay, let's read it just to make sure it makes sense. Foods. I don't like split pea soup. I like creamy carrot soup. I don't like asparagus. Maybe I can put in here, remember I was supposed to add my feelings? I feel like asparagus is kind of stinky too. So I'm going to say I don't like asparagus. That is stinky. Okay. I like peaches and cream corn. I don't like oranges. Maybe I should add and the pulp. That's the part I really don't like. I don't like oranges and the pulp. I like bananas. Maybe I'll put in banana bread. Banana bread. That's why it's always good to reread this. I don't like sticky tuna fish sandwiches. I like turkey and cheese sandwiches with chips. I don't like fruit mixed with desserts. I like chocolatey desserts of all kinds. A Pattern of My Favorites by Mrs. Becker. Okay, have fun today writing about things that you like and you don't like. I can hardly wait to read them.